Yes, I'm in the ladder match, okay? Gunther got injured working out, okay? What do you want me to say? I'm gonna win that ladder match, and I'm gonna grab that Money in the Bank briefcase, and then later tonight, you're gonna see me cashing in that money. Then I'm gonna walk myself out there in the main event. I'm gonna take that briefcase, smash it over the head of John Cena, smash it over the head of Randy Orton. What the? Who are you?
John Cena. Speaking of which...
Whoa.
Curse!
What? You can't curse me? That probably doesn't mean anything anyway, right? Right, Danhausen, you there? Oh my God. No, it doesn't mean anything. Come on. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a curse. It's his little saying that I go around saying.